Good morning. So, email is one of the speaking topic, right? So, what is email? It's electronic mail. So, here I will just show you a transcript related to email or electronic mail. So, this is a transcript from Cambridge, Cambridge itself, Cambridge English for Band 9. Okay, so or C2 level. So, I will just show this for you, and there will be definitely lot of vocabularies associated with this along with the points, so you could use make your own sentence for the questions. Okay, so electronic mail must be God's gift to business. So it's what is use and or. So electronic mail must be God's gift to business. It reduces, what are the advantages of email? So it reduces time wasting, speeds up decision making, and improves communications. So what are the advantages? It reduces time wasting, speeds up decision making, speeds up. So this is a phrasal word, speeds up decision making. It's a hyphenated word, and improves communications. See, improves communications. See, so you shouldn't be missing out that S. Improves communications. So you can say the longer a company has been using email, the better it will perform on the market. So you can say in personal well as well as in business terms. So you are talking about personal as well as in business term. Email has changed the way in which people communicate with each other and has brought unlikely groups together. So far, so good. See, this is a good sentence which you can say. So far, so good. So now, if you want to talk about the disadvantages, okay. So what are the disadvantages? So then, what has email not done? Email not done means disadvantages. It hasn't made communication secure. So it hasn't made communications secure. Hasn't made. Okay. Not even at the hub of the industry. So what is the meaning of hub? Okay, hub of the, not even at the hub of the industry. Let's see some of the vocabularies. So hub means central or main part of something where there is most activity. So that is known as hub. Once again, hub means central part, and there is most activity will be taking place in the hub. The city of London is the hub of UK's financial world. The computer department is at the hub of the company's operation, which means the central part. Okay. So here, not even at the hub of the industry. Hacking email, particularly web-based. So the main problem here is not secure. Communications are not secure, and hacking email is one of the issue. Particularly web-based systems like Hotmail, whose contents are in cyberspace, where it is cyberspace, for a long period of time, is it will appear just like child's play. So what is known as child's play? Child's play means something that is very easy to do for anyone. So for her, computer programming is child's play. Child's play means it's very easy. So Hotmail, this hacking is like a child's play for hackers. So, but the problem is that government is not doing anything for that. Governments, on the other hand, do not want to have sophisticated, modern, state of the art, sophisticated encryption techniques. In WhatsApp, we have encryption, right? Encryption techniques used, as this will be so secure that they will place email out of reach, okay, of surveillance, of monitoring, out of reach of surveillance. What then is the sender's best protection? Sender, just look at the vocabulary, okay, frame your own sentence. It will appear that the sheer volume, what is the meaning of sheer? So let's look at the meaning of sheer. So there are several meanings for it. So sheer means complete, okay. So sheer has complete and large. Another meaning is large, okay. Sheer means complete. The suggestion is a sheer nonsense, okay. It's a complete nonsense. His success was due to sheer willpower, determination. So before adjective, it can be used before willpower, determination if we have to talk about someone. Okay, one of the videos which was viral these days was, I'm not sure about the timing. So it was about a man who was um, who was in search of his son, which was lost for 26 years. So that father was searching for that particular child in China with just a motorcycle, and so the father has sheer determination. So it was sheer coincidence that we met. Okay, next, sheer has different meanings, so just I will show you that also. Okay, sheer means thin, like transparent dress will be the sheer dress, sheerest silk. She wore a dress of the sheerest silk, thin, okay, so thin and delicate that you can see through it, okay. So sheer nylon tights. Next, sheer has a different meaning also. To change direction suddenly is known as sheer. I thought the boats were going to collide, but one sheared off, or you can say sheared off or away at the last second. Next, so many meanings. Okay, sheer is which means extreme or large amount. Okay, here they are saying sheer large amount of hot emails are there. The sheer size of the engine makes it difficult to transport. Or you can say the word, there is another meaning for it, steep. So okay, she hauled herself up the sheer slope of the mountain. Okay, now let's see. That's only related to sheer. How many words are there? Okay, it will appear that sheer volume of email messages hurtling. Hurtling. What is the meaning of hurtling? Through cyberspace. So, cyberspace is a good vocabulary. Surveillance. What is the word which we study now? Hurtling. So, hurtle means to move very fast, especially in a way that seems dangerous. The truck came hurtling towards us. Okay. The explosion sent pieces of metal and glass hurtling through air so fast, and it's dangerous. The truck hurtled along at breakneck speed. That is let's see what is the meaning of breakneck. It means again the similar meaning only like hurtle, carelessly fast and dangerous. They were riding along at breakneck speed, or you can say breakneck pace. Okay. So it's like a comparison. If you want, you can say it's like the, okay, it will appear that the sheer volume of email messages hurtling through high cyberspace is like the herd of zebras. So group of zebras is known as herd of zebras, which mass together to discourage attacks by lions. Our best protection against cyberspace predators. hackers is known as cyberspace predators. They are comparing it to a lion. Okay, over here it's like a cyberspace predator. It must be for this reason that people persist in writing. Maybe this could be the reason they still keep on writing the emails, persist in writing about sensitive. So through email we are sending sensitive or confidential matters in their email. So what we are sending sensitive and confidential matters, and one of the disadvantages is that there is no security, there is no protection, right? The communication is not secure. Some communication has been made secure. That is one of the disadvantages of these emails even at the hub. So, however, giving the undoubted talent. So, what is the, if you want to talk about some hackers, what are the vocabularies related to that? Okay, given the undoubted talent and ingenuity of hackers, isn't a more secure email system possible? So these are the two characteristics of the hackers. What is the meaning of ingenuity? So someone's ability to think of clever new ways of doing something. It basically means clever, right? I was impressed by the ingenuity and energy of the contestants. And one more sentence. It took some time and little ingenuity, but we were able to rescue the animal. Little cleverness. So thank you.